Welcome back to this day trading breakdown of week 25. In this video, we'll look at CYN, which was the best catalyst-based day trading opportunity. We'll break down its catalyst and see how you could have traded it. If you're new here, I provide weekly catalyst-based day trading analysis and weekly catalyst-based swing trading analysis. So if you want to develop an edge around news and catalysts that spark explosive stock moves, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So CYN had a news on the 26th of June. The news was pretty simple, yet a major development in the company. So CYN highlights next generation robotics, automation and AI technology at Automatica in collaboration with NVIDIA. If we look at the details of the news, it says today CYN announces its collaboration with NVIDIA, that's actually the key point, as part of Automatica 2025 Robotics and Automation Showcase. The collaboration highlights how CYN is leveraging the NVIDIA ISAC robotic platform to power next generation autonomous vehicle solutions for industrial applications. You may know it already, but for those who don't know, autonomous vehicle solutions is pretty hot in the current market. So the fact that this company is powering the next generation autonomous vehicle solutions for industrial applications in particular is extremely bullish. But the fact that it's actually collaborating with NVIDIA and leveraging their ISAC robotics platform is even more bullish and gives an endorsement to their company. So this is a pretty short news. As featured in NVIDIA recent blog post, CYN was selected among a handful of robotics innovators using NVIDIA ISAC technologies to accelerate safe, scalable autonomy across dynamic real-world environments. Automatica 2025, the world's leading trade fair for smart automation and robotics, a pretty hot team in the current market, provides a global stage for demonstrating how AI-powered solutions are transforming manufacturing and logistics. CYN autonomous industrial vehicles built on NVIDIA ISAC and powered by CYN proprietary drive mode software are currently operating in commercial environment to reduce labor costs, increase throughput, and improve safety. And that's really all there is about this news. So the news is just the fact that, first of all, this company is operating in a very, very hot theme, the autonomous vehicle solutions, you know, in the industrial applications, but it's still in the major team of autonomous vehicle solutions, and it's collaborating with NVIDIA using NVIDIA technology and was selected from a handful of robotic innovators to be present in Automatica. The stock reaction was incredible. The stock went up 500% on that day. Let's look at the stock reaction on the chart. So we're looking at CYN chart, the 2-minute chart here and the daily chart here. As you can see, it's a pretty neglected stock. So it was kind of trading sideways for a very, very long time here until it had this news. And that's also one of the key points of stock selection. When the stock is neglected, it usually has a higher probability of actually going, doing these parabolic moves. Now, when the news was out here, the stock was trading around $5 and it went all the way in the regular session, all the way to $41. The whole move was, as I said earlier, well, actually was, if you account for when it started, 687% move. With very few pullbacks. I mean, it was trading above VWAP all along. There was a bit of a pullback at the open here after it went up a little bit. But I mean, this stock, you could have, if you were trading pre-market, you could have entered it pre-market, safe enough, because really the news is very good. This is not the first stock that is having this kind of catalyst and is making this kind of move. NVTS was similar, although it didn't make 500%. I think it made 100% move, but it had a similar news. It had a NVIDIA Collaboration catalyst, and the stock reacted very positively. The only thing to pay attention to with these kinds of stocks, especially when they make these kinds of parabolic moves, 500%, 600%, around here, as you can see, what happened is, well, first off, the stock started selling off here. And that's because the company came up with an announcement of a public offering of $17 million or 15. And so immediately the stock started selling off and even halted here, the trading, until it resolved later on and lost around $10. And so what that means in terms of learnings is, usually, because I mean, companies come up with these direct offerings often after parabolic moves like this. It doesn't often happen on the same day. It's pretty nasty that actually they made that announcement on the same day of the parabolic move. But when the move is very extended, it is something to be expected. And therefore, when you say, if you are in profit and the move is already really extended, it is safer and smarter to be out of the trade completely after such a parabolic move. And I suppose the other takeaway from this case is the fact that the move was so extended, I mean 600% in one day. That's usually an indication that you shouldn't be looking for a swing trade, because I don't see any other reason for the stock to go further up. Anything is possible in the stock market. It can happen. I haven't seen often stocks going beyond 500, 600%. So again, it is much safer to be out of the trade. If you want to try your luck, you can always keep a small position in the trade, but that's it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.